Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel Trendy Codes, and today we're gonna look about how to create ionic cards in your Ionic 2 framework. So I have created a demo app for you guys, and at the end of this tutorial we're gonna make these beautiful cards, okay, with a beautiful image present inside it. So what we have done in this small application is we have created the cards, and inside the cards I have used the array to fill this data. For example, from the array I'm getting the name, I'm getting the date of birth, I'm getting this image, I'm getting these like commands, tags, and all those things. So these things are present inside the array, and the array is stored in the .ts file. We have declared the array in the .ts file. Now all these things are done with the help of ng for loop. Okay, we are creating a one card, but we are repeating all the cards with the help of ng for loop. So this is how we're going to create this beautiful app, these beautiful cards in the Ionic 2 framework. And if you like my videos, if you're following my videos in series, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, click on thumbs up. And let's get started, right? Okay, so here is my blank application present over here, and I have opened my project inside the Visual Studio Code. And first we're gonna create a card, and we're gonna work with the HTML file. So first we will create a card. So to create a card, there is a tag called ion card, and this will create our card. Now the design was like, first some avatar was present, okay, the person who is uploading that particular image, that person profile picture should be present inside the card. So to do that, we're going to create ion item, and inside the ion item we're going to create the ion avatar. Okay, and inside the ion avatar the person or the user profile picture should be present. So to do that, you should use image src. Now I have used one website or one portal to directly fetch my profile picture from the Facebook. Now this is the website, avatars.io. If you will go to this website, you need to provide your username or the ID, okay, and once you provide your ID, they will fetch the profile picture of the Facebook, and they will provide this URL. So you can just use this URL inside the app, and you will get the particular image present inside the card. Now once this is done, I'm going to present, or I'm going to display the name of that particular person, okay, of that particular user. So to do that, I'm going to use the h2 tag, and inside that I'm going to for example trending codes, okay, and I'm going to use paragraph tag, and inside the paragraph tag I'm going to display the date of birth, 217. Okay, now here we have created our particular okay, so this is the output of our code. Now we have created the card successfully. We are getting the avatar image, we are getting the name, and we have printed the date of birth. Now this is not looking good, right? This was not present in the demo app. It was something different. Now to do that, we should tell this item that sorry, this avatar that you are the left part of the, or you are the left item of the card. Okay, so it should be like item left. Okay, now once you write this item left attribute of the ion avatar, the image will be placed in the left side and the text will be placed in the right side beside of the avatar image. Okay, now we are done with the with this part. Now if you want to give a color to this ionic I mean ion card header, you can just use the ion item attribute called color, and you can give the color as now. As I said, when you just say that ionic avatar is a left item or the item left of the card, the output will be look like this. Now I have not saved, so the color will not shown in the output. I'm gonna save here, and once I do that, it will compile and display the color. Okay, so I have created the ion header and I have provided the color as primary. So it will give the color as blue, and we have created the card successfully and it's looking pretty good. So the next part of our card is we are going to display the image, right? Now to display the image, I'm going to use img tag, and I'm going to use attribute as src, and I'm going to put my URL, which will load this particular image from the this particular website. And once I am done with that, I should create the caption part. For example, when you just upload the image on Instagram or when you just upload the image on Facebook, you guys used to give some caption for that particular picture, or you guys put some hashtags. So to do that, I'm going to create the ion content tag, ion card contain. Okay, so inside the ion card content, I'm going to use paragraph tag, and inside the paragraph tag I'm going to say that this is the ionic card tutor. Okay, now once I'm done with this, I'm going to create the like button, command button, text button, and the time button. So to do that, first of all, you should be outside the ion card content tag. Okay, and you should go ahead and create the ion row, and inside the row you're going to create one column, ion column, and inside the ion column you're going to create the ionic item. So ion item, and inside the ion item we are going to create the button. Okay, and the button is of ion button. And while creating this kind of button, you should make sure you should use this attribute. So I'm going to use the icon inside the button. So for that, I'm going to use one attribute because my icon should be the left side of my button. So icon left. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use that button as clear. It should not have the background, or it should not have the border, and it should be small. Now inside the ion button, I'm going to create the icon, ion icon, and inside the ion icon I'm going to provide the name for like. It will be always thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to say over here like. Okay, this is how we can create the like button. Now in the same way, I'm going to create the command button. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this ion column, and sorry, I'm going to copy this ion column and I'm going to paste. This is for ionic, this is for comment, this is for the tags, and this is for the upload. So I'm going to use thumbs up for like. I'm going to use text icon for the command. I'm going to use contact for the tags, and over here what I'm going to use, I don't remember what I have used in demo, so let it be I don't really remember. Okay, so here it will be our like 12 hours ago. Okay, here 12 hours ago, this is our contact, so I'm going to say 3 tags. Sorry, it should be 3. Okay, and like is done over here. I'm going to say 75 commands. Okay, here we are done. Let's go ahead and check it's working or not. I think we did a mistake over here. Here it will just give a weird output, like the text present inside the ion icon will look different. They are not good phones. For example, see, they are not looking like they are looking totally different. Okay, so to fix that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a div tag and it will fix that. So everywhere I'm going to use a div tag, div, and inside the div I'm going to put the text. Copy, Control X, and Command V. Same goes with the all. Control C, Control V. I'm sorry, I'm using Mac, right? So it should be Command V. Command V, Command V. Okay. Now first like, and this is for comments. 5 commands. And then after, this is for tags, 2 tags. And this is for upload time. So 2 hours ago. Okay, I don't know why I'm pressing the shift key while typing the numbers. I'm sorry for that. Okay, we are done. We're gonna save this and we're gonna have a look that it's working or not. And I forgot the icon name, what I have used over here. I don't really remember that. Okay, so I think this is too simple to create an social ion card. Okay, and it's looking, yeah, still it's not working. I don't know why. I should go ahead and fix that. Okay, see, it's like the text are different and the icons are not coming properly. Okay, we did a mistake. Like this division should be the outside of the ion icon, right? So Control X, Command X, I'm sorry, Command V, and it goes for the all columns. Command X, Command V, Command X, Command V, Command X, and Command V. Now we are done, right? Okay, now this should work. It's building. Okay, can you see? It's working. Wow, it's looking great. Now we have created the card successfully, but the problem is we are having a padding after the cards, like before the cards or the beside the cards, we are having a padding. So to remove that, I'm going to remove the padding attribute from the ion content, and this will remove the padding. Okay, so we have created our card successfully, but the problem is we are getting a single card right now. But what if we want to make that card to be present on the screen dynamically? So to do that, we are going to work with the home.ts file, and inside the home.ts file, what we are going to do is we are going to create one empty array called upload, and I'm going to initialize that array empty over here, and inside the constructor I'm going to push some information, push some data in the upload array. So to do that, I'm going to use this dot upload dot push. Now this will push the data, and do you guys remember, like, we are going to store this name, date of birth, this image, like counter, command counter, tag counter, and our time. So like we will be having 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 values inside the array. So the first value will be name, and the name will for first card is NFS. Okay, the second part will be the date of birth, DOB, and anything. Okay, now the third part will be our image that should be displayed, and I'm going to put or I'm going to keep that particular value to be empty right now. After the image there is like, and the like will be 5 for the NFS. Now commands will be 40. After the commands we are having I think tags, right? So tags will be 3, and after the tags we are having a time, right? The time will be 3 years ago. Okay, this is our first card that to be displayed on the screen. I'm going to save that, and I'm going to copy the same, and I'm going to push the same information, or I'm going to push the data, second data inside the upload array, and here it should be like trending codes. Okay, I'm gonna put my birthday over here. It's 12/07/1995. Okay, image, I'm going to put the image empty, and the counter will be same. Okay, now what I'm going to do, once I'm done with this part, I'm going to read this information in my home.html file, and I'm going to, now I will use the ng for to display all those information from the array, and ng for equals to let item of uploads, sorry. Okay, now this will read the data from ts file. This will read the data from this particular array present over here, and it will display the information in the. Now we're going to display the name dynamically, so it should be like item dot name. Same goes with the date of birth. It should be like item.dob. Even same goes with the source attribute of our image tag, because we're going to read the image from item.img. Okay, now we are not going to read the information or the tag from the array, so let it be same, and the counter for the like item dot likes. Same goes with the command item dot commands, and the same goes with the tag, right? Item dot tags. Okay, and even for the time, item dot time. Okay, now we have not used the image source file or image source attribute. We have kept this image link to be empty, so for that I'm going to use the notes. I have saved the image inside my notes, so I'm going to use that. Okay, so from my notes I have copied the link, and I'm going to read this image from this particular website. Okay, and I'm going to save that, and I'm going to run that. Let's go ahead and check it's working or not. So this is how we have read the data from upload, and let's see it's working or not. Okay, so can you see over here I'm getting a 2 cards because we have present, or we have pushed data for 2 times inside the array. And can you see I'm getting the NFS for the first time, second time trending codes, and the okay, the likes is not coming, right? Let's go ahead and check why it's not coming. Item dot likes. Okay, it's like, it's not likes. I'm going to change over here the key name, likes and likes. Now if I save and if I check, then it will work. Okay, so I'm going to explain you one more time what exactly I'm doing over here is I'm creating the array, okay, and I'm pushing the data inside the array for the 2 times. So the length of my array will be 2. First element of my array is holding the NFS. Date of birth will be like 9/12/1992, and all those things. Same goes, I'm going to change the name for my second element, and I have changed the image attribute. So this is how we can just retrieve the data from the database. After retrieving the data from the database, we can store those data inside the array, and we can just transfer this present information which is inside in the array, and we can read those information from the array to the HTML file with the help of Angular 2. Okay, now in the future maybe I'm going to make the tutorials for like interacting with the database. I'm going to use the Firebase, and I will show you how to interact with the Firebase in the future. Maybe after doing more videos on the Ionic component, I'm going to start a new series with the Firebase. So this is how we can read the data from the TS file to HTML file, and we can create the beautiful cards but still I just forgot to make this application more attractive, and it is possible with creating or changing the color of the ion navbar. I'm going to give the color, and it should be danger. Haha, danger, you know, red color. Okay, once I do that, the nav color will be changed to red. My card will be, see, I have created a single card, but with the help of ng4 I'm just getting two cards, and it is because of we are having two elements inside the upload array. So guys, this is how we can create a beautiful designs. We can create beautiful cards in the ionic component. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please click on the thumbs up button, and let's check the output is working or not. We're getting the output or not. Okay, so we got an output over here. It's looking pretty awesome, right? We have created the cards which are looking too pretty. And if you guys like facing some kind of error in this tutorial, if you don't get anything what I have just explained in this tutorial, you can just contact me, or you can just comment below in this video. And if you want to contact me, you can contact me on the Facebook, okay, on the Instagram, or on the Twitter, or you can find me, or you can mail me on my live account, okay, Outlook account. All these things are present inside the description. My Facebook ID, my Instagram ID, everything is present inside the description. Feel free to contact me, okay? Not even in this video, if you are not getting anything, if you are facing problem related to ionic framework, if you are not able to proceed further inside your ionic project, okay, please feel free to contact me. I will help you guys. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, hit on the thumbs up button, and #skipcoding. Take care, see you soon.